let's have a look at this Foxglove model in the Village of St. Charles. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, available for long-term rental. So, off to the right, when you enter the house, is the garage. Lots of space here for a vehicle and a golf cart. And as we move forward, we'll see that there is a laundry room off to the left here. And then off to the right is the bedroom number 1. So that's at the front of the house. Straight ahead when you enter the home is the kitchen. Really nice because you've got these nice white appliances, really well done newer kitchen cupboards, and then it opens up into this nice living space. And let's have a look as we go down to the left. There's going to be a bedroom here with a pocket door, which means you can sort of seal off this one guest space if you like. There's the bathroom. And nice big bedroom off to the left. Villages of St. James and St. Charles are right next to each other. And we're really close to the Sea Breeze Rec Center. The Sea Breeze Rec Center is a regional rec center, so it's got the Olympic-size exercise pool. It's also got golf real close. You can get all the amenities that the regional rec centers have. Master bedroom branches off into this really nice exit into the lanai. And it's great because you got all this privacy. And this room and space out here is fully fenced. So nice privacy. So if you're looking for long-term rental, contact the owner with the information attached. You will see that this house is going to be about $2,400 per month for long-term rental. And it's available immediately. We are now the beginning of June of 2024. So if you're interested in something that you can use while you're looking for your own space in the villages, this is the one to use. Hope you enjoyed the tour.